Uy, wait lang. Kung ikaw ay nag-pray sa Panginoon ng pagbabago o nagpe-pray sa Panginoon na may magbago sa buhay mo, this is for you. So kung hindi, sige, scroll up ka na. O kaya, pwede ka naman mag-stay if you want to listen. Maybe this will become handy or this will be a reminder for you as well. Because imagine, no? What if the reason you feel uncomfortable right now is because God is actually answering your prayer? Diba? Think about it. Nag-pray ka para sa paglago, sa growth, no? You prayed for change. You asked God to use your life, maybe in the ministry or in the mission in itself. But now, the things feel uncertain, overwhelming, and even painful, no? Parang gusto mo nang umatras. Kasi, nobody told us that when God grows you, it won't feel safe. Minsan, He'll remove you on your comfort zone, no? Minsan naman, He'll make you wait. Minsan, He'll take you out of places you thought were right for you. And it's confusing because it doesn't feel like a blessing. But what if it is? No? What if the discomfort you're feeling is actually proof that God is working on you? Hindi ka stuck. You're being refined. Hindi ka pinapabayaan ng Panginoon. You're being prepared like a gold being refined in the furnace to be pure. Sabi nga sa 1 Peter chapter 1 verse 7, no? Sa magandang balita, Biblia version, ang ginto, bagamat nasisira, ay pinapadaan sa apoy upang malaman kung talagang dalisay. Gayon din naman ang inyong pananampalataya na higit na mahalaga kaysa ginto ay sinusubok upang malaman kung ito'y talagang tapat. Sa gayon, kayo'y papupurihan, dadakilain at pararangalan sa araw na mahayag si Jesucristo. So, tayo, habang dinidevelop tayo, yung faith natin ay parang gold na ginagawang dalisay. And the same as the things that we are doing in this world, no? Maaari yung mga inaalis sa'yo ay yung mga bagay na hindi nagpapadalisay sa iyong pananampalataya or yung environment na kung nasaan ka ngayon ay hindi nakakatulong sa pagiging pure ng iyong faith, no? And mind this, because the same God you prayed to for growth is the same God allowing this season. So don't run back to what's comfortable just because it's familiar. And if you trust Him here, you won't just grow. Ito ang promise, no? You'll become someone you prayed to be, the best version of yourself.